I think we have one more story.
A man who hoped to hear the siren of a ghost train got hit by a real one.
Oh, hell no! I love this world. I love it. I hear it! I hear it!
Oh, shit.
I hear it. It's coming. It's coming. Ah! Yes, because whistles have souls and they come back from the dead.
Statesville, North Carolina.
Of course.
Of course.
Of course. They're still fighting a war. Oh my God. How could you say that sentence and not crack? Okay.
I'll tell you.
When you read this one, you're just going to have to think about your dead grandma or something, okay? If not, you're going to lose it.
It's an asshole on the tracks in Statesville. Got his ass smeared all over the pavement.
The lake in his cell gives up for dead when the sky
fucking inbred like a vanilla.
The Lord of Iron ore 26,000 tons more than the
What fucking song ever told a story more completely than The Wreck of the Edmund Fitzgerald?
No shit, man.
Holy shit.
Great song. I like that song.
Yeah, it's alright. I like Sundown better, though.
Sundown
fucking rules.
Oh, yeah. That is a good one. Yep. Sundown.
A man who hoped to hear the siren of a ghost train got hit by a real one.
That original crash happened.
You hear the weather guy off camera. Oh, sorry.
You hear her voice way in the back of the studio go, what? No fucking way!
You hear a guy in the back go, chugga, 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 See the camera drop just a little bit as the camera guy nods off into fucking hysteric laughter. Passes out from trying to hold it in.
How could you? How could you?
Oh, I gotta hear that one more time. I can't believe that sentence actually had to be constructed.
How could you fucking read that story and not just dissolve into a puddle of laughter?
A man who hoped to hear the siren of a ghost train got hit by a real one.
Of course he did. Of course he did. I wish the train could have backed up and hit him again.
What was that? I don't know. Back up and check. It's just something that tires.
This stupid country. God.
Original crash happened back in 1891. In it, 30 people died. Tonight we're hearing from a witness to this morning's tragedy on a remote Statesville bridge where people go on the anniversary of that crash hoping to hear the ghost train.
You know what? If you're fucking...
You got nothing better to do?
You fucking... Why don't you read a book about ghost trains? Statesville, North Carolina. This fucking dummy.
I love it. People want to believe in ghosts and shit so fucking bad and they think anything comes back. Oh my god, yes. Inanimate objects, they die and come back as ghosts. Jesus fucking Christ. We are finished. We are absolutely, positively, completely finished.
Well, that guy is anyway.
Yeah.
I hear it.
His head now looks like the picture of the super chief on the front of the fucking train.
Melon-headed idiot. Ugh.
the first thing that went through that guy's mind?
Yeah.
His
the train?
teeth.
His teeth? Yeah, exactly.
Her phone. Remember that one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's an old reset.
That's one of the
wow.
classics. One of the classics.
Is that one? Is that season one?
That might be
two?
season 2, yeah.
It's 2.
Rad Berkey is live with our mobile newsroom in Iredell County.
Rad Berkey?
He's
oh, dude.
He's live in our ghost newsroom. We've got George Washington's ghost reporting from...
You got Rad Berkey live today from Ghost Train headquarters. From Channel 8 Ghost Train headquarters. Fucking hillbillies.
The anniversary of that crash, hoping to hear the ghost train. News Channel 36 reporter Rad Berkey is live with our mobile newsroom in Iredell County. Rad, tell us what happened.
Dude, it's gruesome. Oh, dude.
Oh, dude. Rad Berkey reporting, dude. Oh.
Hey, Scoob.
like zoinks.
Like zoinks.
His fucking ass went through his head, Scoob. like zoinks. Sorry, Scoob.
By the way, ghosts don't exist. Stupid.
And they fucking take the hood off the ghost. It's Rad Berkey. I'd have gotten away with it too. Like zoinks. I hope that train flattens his redneck ass, Scoob. Shaggy was a hippie, we get it. Shaggy and Scooby were potheads, we get it.
Really?
Stop already with your fucking clever subterfuge.
Tell us what happened here.
Well, Bobby, it's almost unbelievable when you think about it, but let me show you where it happened. It happened on an old railroad trestle bridge called the Boston, or as they call it here, Boston Bridge, back beyond those trees. That's where 29-year-old Chris Kaiser of Charlotte was with a group of people, as you said, hoping they would hear a ghost train. But what they couldn't hear and then couldn't outrun was a real train, and we found a woman who saw it happen.
Oh, yes! Of course you did. I
seen it. Pardon me, sir. Did you see what happened? Yeah, I did.
I seen it. Marijuana.
You in here for some marijuana? Marijuana? Man, this is some bullshit.
Marijuana is not a drug. I used to suck dick for coke.
I seen him.
Now that's an addiction, man. You ever suck some dick for marijuana?
No, I can't say I have.
I didn't think so.
I didn't think so.
I honestly thought we should have screamed at him or something.
Clark County 911.
I honestly thought I should have screamed at him or something.
But I figured that ghost train had just passed right through him. I don't know.
Then it was a real train, and then I felt sad. Did you? You fucking toothless hillbilly. You lack of chicklet having fucking hick. Where are your teeth? I'd settle for rotten teeth.
Teethus?
Teethus? Having a problem with his teethus.
Woman who does not want to be identified.
Now, why would she?
Really?
Why would she?
Typical redneck woman. That's it. There
Even
you go.
yeah. They could have just put a silhouette of her and then the cryon white trash, typical white trash female. Well, I should have yelled at him or something. Cletus, get off those tracks. I should have.
Shut up, Brandine.
I honestly thought we should have screamed at him or something.
This woman who does not want to be identified looked on in horror as a Norfolk Southern
horror at her fucking dim-wittedness. How'd it go with Johnny? I have just fled my own office in horror at his fucking dim-wittedness.
Freight train rounded a corner onto the old Boston Trestle Bridge.
Train, take me on out of it. I said a train kept rolling all night long.
How did it take us that long? How did it take us that long? Wow.
Put me on a train, mama.